In this video, you will learn how to modify the representation of individual soil types. To do this, initiate the Soil Definitions command. Here, you can select the soil type whose representation you want to modify using the combo box. Next, unlock the value you wish to change. You can edit both the color and pattern of a soil definition. By relocking the input field, you confirm your input. Now, the function can be closed. To see the changes in the model, we need to update the soil profile. You can do this by opening it with a double click and then closing it again. As you can see, the color of the soil layer is already adjusting. If we now create a new label for the soil profile, you will notice that the new color has also been applied to the labeling. With this command, you can modify the representation of existing soil definitions or create new ones.